Hello, my name is Monique, and I will be showing you how to edit videos in Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool used to create social posts, flyers, business cards, videos, presentations, and more. There is a website and an app with the same interface and user experience. I am sure many of you have used it before for class, work, or even on your own personal time. In the digital marketing industry, we use Canva for mood boards, presentations, branding guidelines, logos, social media content, and more. While I was previously familiar with the standard posters, slideshows, and non-animated documents, I never attempted to use the video editing feature. There are many courses on LinkedIn Learning and video tutorials on YouTube that teach you how to use the Canva video editing software. After completing a few courses and videos, I started playing around with the software. Canva is very helpful for professions beyond digital marketing, including realty. My mother is a realtor and recently asked me to put together a video for her listings using only photos. So for this project, I will demonstrate how to use the tools and features of Canva's video editing software through the creation of a house tour. One disclaimer before I start is that the software is free to use but offers premium subscriptions. If you see a crown on the bottom of an item, that means it's only available to pro users. Canva's Pro subscription grants access to their entire photo, element, video, and audio library. There are plenty of elements available for free to all users. To begin, Canva provides a variety of formats for your video, including a standard horizontal video, a social media video, a video message, and more. Here, you should consider what the video is going to be used for. For example, since the house tour's primary use is a YouTube and social media video, I am going to select horizontal video format. Here is the main video editing screen. No matter what project you're working on, the interface is the same, making it easy to remember where things are. You can use the left side toolbar to add templates, elements, uploads, text, QR codes, and more. You can use the bottom timeline to add pages, lengthen pages, and more. You can click play on the bottom toolbar to see the progress you have made so far. Once I add an element, you will see more features in this upper toolbar. And finally, there are tools surrounding the screen to help you edit, download, and share your project files. If you are creating something that you're unfamiliar with, it's helpful to browse templates. Since I am creating a house tour video, which I've never done before, I am going to type that into the template search bar and see what pops up. You can click on a template and see all the pages included in the template. Additionally, you can customize the elements on a template, so don't think you're stuck to exactly what's on it. Sometimes templates are a great starting point because they give you ideas as to what you want and what you don't want. Here, I have added a title page to a house tour. To delete an item, select it and hit the trash can. To crop an item, click on it and drag the borders to your liking. As you can see, when I move the borders, the text doesn't change in size. The items are separate, but you can group them together to manipulate them at the same time. Click an item, hold down your Shift button on the keyboard, and select the rest of the items. On a phone or tablet, select an item, click the three dots, and click Select Multiple. When you have your item selected, hit Done and click Group in the upper toolbar. Now you can see when I crop the border, all of the items I selected change in size with it. This is helpful because you don't have to manually adjust the text size for each item. To edit the text in the box, simply double-click the element you want to change. I am going to fill out the text box with the appropriate information for my mom's listing. Next, I need to change the sample video, so I will delete the placeholder and select a good title picture for the property from my uploads. I already have the photos uploaded, but you can click the Upload button to import files from your computer, phone, or tablet. On the phone or tablet, you can easily upload photos from your camera roll. The photo doesn't fit exactly, so I'm going to drag the corners to fill the screen. Additionally, I can crop it by selecting the image and clicking Crop in the upper toolbar. This helps you see exactly what parts of the image will be seen in the frame. As you can see, the image was placed on top of the text box. To bring an element forward or to move one backward, select the item and click Position. You can see that the photo moves in front and behind the text and text box. In the Position feature, you can also align your items in the center, left, right, middle, and top of the page. Since the placeholder was a video and I am creating this video with pictures, I have to animate the photo. You do this by clicking the item and selecting Animate in the upper toolbar. Canva provides a range of animations for your photos and elements. If you are making a video with videos, this feature might not be as necessary as still photos. After making a few videos, I noticed I use photo zoom, breathe, and pan the most. They are fun to play around with, but it's hard to focus on the pictures with a lot of weird movements. For this title page, I am going to select the photo zoom animation and make it zoom out on the condo and show the dunes and boardwalk. The text didn't change with the photo, so now I need to edit the element animation. Some of the text animations I use are typewriter, block, rise, and bounce. The grouping feature doesn't change the animations of all the elements, so you have to click each of them individually and select the animation you want. For this video, I'm going to make them all rise. After I change or make an animation, I always play back the video to make sure it is doing what I wanted it to do. After watching it, I am going to move the text box over to the right side of the screen so the audience can see the boardwalk. To add a page, select the plus button on the bottom timeline. Here you can also adjust the length of the video by dragging the edges. You can also move around the page in case you want to add something before or behind a video. Next, I am going to upload 3 different pictures to introduce the property before the title page. As a reminder, go to Uploads, enter your pictures, crop and align with the frame, and add the animations. Since the title page zooms out, I am going to make these 3 images zoom in with the breathe animation. Additionally, I am going to shorten these pages to 2 seconds. An easier way to edit the length of a clip is to click the clock icon in the upper toolbar and enter in the seconds. As you could see, there are no transitions between the pages. To edit the transitions, click the plus between the slides and select the transitions icon. Canva provides a range of effects, but I noticed after creating a couple videos that transitions with a lot of motion are distracting and overwhelming. I like the dissolve transition for the majority of the video. However, there is a time and place for other transitions. When I move from the interior to the exterior of a house, I might use the circle wipe to show that movement outside or inside. I'm going to input this transition after the title page to move the audience to the inside of the condo. Next, I'm going to upload the first pictures of the interior of the condo. I will crop the pictures to fit the screen and select an animation. Instead of zoom this time, I am going to use drift. The drift animation will pan the room and give it more of a video-like feel. To copy and paste elements, make sure the elements are grouped together, then select the item, hit the 3 dots and select copy, or press Command-C on your keyboard. Go to the page that you want to paste it on, right-click and press paste, or press Command-V on your keyboard. I am going to use a text element to give the audience information about the house. Instead of adding the individual elements, I am copying them from the first slide. My mom gave me some features she wanted to highlight, so I am going to place them in the pop-ups with the appropriate pictures. Next, I will adjust the animations and ensure each item moves the way I want it to. I will repeat these steps for the rest of the photos, making sure to add transitions between each page and watch the video as I go. Now that we have our photos, animations, and callouts set, we need background music. To add music, select audio from the left side toolbar. Canva offers a variety of royalty-free music that you can use. Because this condo is on the beach, I am going to search for tropical music. You can preview the music by clicking play on the album icon. Once you find one that you like, click it to add it to your video. Make sure the watch bar is all the way at the beginning of the video so that the music will add to the entire length of the video. To name your video, click File in the upper left-hand side of the toolbar and edit the text. To preview your video before you download, click Play in the upper right-hand side of the toolbar. To save and share your video, click the Share button in the upper top right-hand corner. Canva offers a range of downloading formats and sharing platforms. While those are the features I use to create property tours, Canva provides countless more. Here's some helpful information regarding the Canva editing software tools. Here is another example video of one of the property tours that I've done for my mom through the Canva video editing software. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and that you can utilize the Canva video editing software on your own.